like I told you कि पहले क्या होता था, I did not have the courage. I did not have the courage to be honest. First, to accept myself, to say कि okay, there is a problem within me and my faith, and something is wrong, and I'm a hypocrite. Like honestly, I was a hypocrite. So I had to accept that. And once I started building on that journey, देखिए पहले क्या होता था, उस टाइम भी थोड़ा इन था तो सोचती थी कि हाँ नहीं करना है. मैंने आपको बताया कि इवेंट्स वगैरह में छोड़ती थी, पर किसी से बता नहीं पाती थी. I did not have the courage to speak about it honestly. And then later, when I got more knowledge, when I, you know, started seeking more knowledge, I realized it doesn't matter. It doesn't. And one of the reasons, you know, a lot of people also ask me कि आप आराम से छोड़ सकती थी. Why did you go? Why did you conduct it out so publicly? I reached that stage where I was tired of that identity. I was tired of every day getting calls कि ये है film है वो है, and I was tired of lying. I just wanted to be honest and say that, you know, there's a problem within me and it's bothering me. I'm struggling with it. I'm not happy with this identity and I want to get rid of it. I want to move on and be better. And every time somebody would say, "Oh, you inspire me," I would be like, please don't say that. Don't say that I inspire you. This is not something I want to do. I don't want you. Please get your life sorted. Do something good with it. Don't waste yourself. Don't waste. Allah Ta'ala has created you for a purpose. Honor that purpose.
Like तुमने
There are
अभी sorry
many,
just carry on.
so many things within you. So that's what happened. तो ऐसा ऐसा जब वो होने लगा ना, फिर I reached a stage where I realized it doesn't matter. I don't care who says what, and um, you know, I genuinely also used to think about death as well. कि अभी मर जाऊंगी तो फिर
ये तो
what
ख्याल देखो आते हैं. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, बिकॉज a lot of my followers, they, जब मैंने कल आपका पोस्टर अपना पोस्टर लगाया, तो they came to me and they were like कि we cannot find Zaira's public profile with a blue tick mark, and that also because having like more than like 1 million or 2 million people, and all of a sudden, you know, like यहाँ पे तो people are going crazy to even get like 20,000 30,000 people. Like did you actually deactivate it, or you're gonna क्या किया आपने अपने अकाउंट के साथ?
So I deactivated it थोड़ा रमजान से पहले. I personally was a little not. I was thinking कि रमजान में तो करने वाली थी because it's a distraction and stuff. So ऐसे कुछ टाइम के लिए I'll get back. I'll come back inshallah. But अभी कोई plan नहीं है.
अच्छा, तो for everyone, ये this is your first interview after you left TV.
I have not. I don't know if this is an interview. I don't know.
This is not an interview. मेरी और तुम्हारी तो रोज बात होती है, but yes, this is not an interview, but it's a conversation or whatever in front of like तुम लोगों के सामने या screen पे अभी आई हुई, like छोटी screen पे कह लो. After 2 years.
After I don't know how many years. I really don't remember it.
I think after मुझे याद है ना, Sky Pink अभी आपकी 2 साल पहले आई थी ना, 1.5-2 साल पहले. I remember I told you, मैम वो movie देख के आई, you said I'm not interested. And I was like, oh my God, this is, you know, like I went to, you know, watch a movie, and I came back and I told her that, you know, I watched this movie and you worked, you know, fantastic and I loved it. And she was like, Mariam Baji, कोई और बात करें, I'm not interested. And I was like, या अल्लाह, प्रियंका चोपड़ा के साथ मेरी मूवी और मैं तो सबसे जंप मार के सबसे आगे बैठूंगी, you know. तो जायरा यार, बेटा, you are an inspiration and you should know that we all are, you know.
Don't say all that.
अच्छा चलो इंस्पिरेशन मत बोलो, मगर तुम ना सपोज देखो, तुम्हें पता है कि मेरे भी छोटे बेटे हैं. अगर मुस्तफा की जगह द वन हु इज 13 वो मेरा ख्याल है कोई मेरी बेटी होती, तो मैं उसको अपने साथ बिठा के जो है वो ये इंटरव्यू दिखाती. नॉट बिकॉज देखो यू आर नॉट इन योर 30s, you just crossed your teens, you know, which is very big. Because crossing your teens and, you know, like coming up with so much of dignity and akal. So good, hats off to your parents also, because देखो हम लोगों को अपने बच्चों को जो तरबियत का हिस्सा है ना, कि तुम्हारे ब्रेन में या तुम्हारे माइंड में ये चीज आई. क्योंकि हम आजकल की जो खवातीन है वो अपने बच्चों की तरबियत सिर्फ ये कर रही हैं कि वो कपड़े पहन लो और वो गाड़ी पे में जाओ और वो दोस्त बना लो, you know, इंस्टाग्राम पे आ जाओ, यूट्यूब पे आ जाओ. तो this is what life is.
You know, I'll tell you something. It's not. See, for if you have to understand a person or you know what they're doing, you have to go. If you see an opinion, for example, a person has an opinion, and हमारा एक conventional opinion सबका एक होता है. you have to understand what has formed that opinion in the first place. So in today's time where we are being fed what we should be, we should look a certain way, we should dress a certain way, we should be perfect, and we should have this, or एक conventional opinion सबका बना, it's media, you know, it's targeting people, and it's आपका वो conventional opinion बन गया है. आपका एक वैल्यू सिस्टम जो होता है वो फॉर्म हो रहा है या हो गया है या हो जाएगा. So you have to understand first, because see, I'm not gonna say कि मैं बचपन से बहुत I used to think about these things. Maybe not. Maybe it's something Allah मुझे तो लगता है मुझे अल्लाह ताला ने दिया है. For me, I'm not going to speak about myself, but for someone, your priorities will only change when you actually start questioning things, especially in today's time. If you think that there is a person who if for example I like not Mercedes, but whatever, I like a life of glitz and glamour and ye wo, you have to question it for your own self. Is this something that is benefiting me? Not just religiously. चलिए religiously इंसान सोचे ना सोचे, but मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि उस टाइम पे जब मैं जहाँ पर थी, मैं ये सोचती थी कि मैं एक्ट्रेस नहीं भी होती ना, मैं जो भी कर रही होती मैं उसको छोड़ देती उस टाइम पे, बिकॉज मुझे
confusion
I
थी.
had not thought of life that way.
Yeah.
I had not thought of life this way कि अच्छा ये it's so I'd say that you have to, you keep drawing your thoughts and your ideologies and your value from a conventional path for some time, for your own benefit. Try to get away from that path.
Yeah.
And think for your own self.
Guys, I cannot save this life. Zaira, so many people are saying no, but Zaira will inshallah come again. She will again join us. But this is one thing which she said, Mariam Baji, I don't want you to save this life. तो मैं जो है ये लाइव अपने पेज पे सेव नहीं कर सकती, although I really want, but नहीं. नेक्स्ट टाइम इंशाल्लाह जायरा जब आएंगी हमारे, अभी आप क्वेश्चंस करें, आप लोग जायरा से डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस करें, आपके जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, हम 5 मिनट्स के लिए जो हैं वो आफ्टर 1 मिनट मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन जायरा से हो जाए, देन यू गाइस कैन स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू हर, यू कैन आस्क हर क्वेश्चंस, शी विल डायरेक्ट रिप्लाई यू बाय टेकिंग योर नेम्स. अच्छा जायरा, मुझे सिर्फ मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा ये बताओ कि व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स. देखो फ्यूचर तो हमें नहीं पता, वही बात है कि कल का प्रॉमिस, मगर तुम अब क्या करना चाह रही हो, व्हाट इज योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? Are you going to be an entrepreneur? Are you planning to what's your plan?
Right. I was discussing it with you. Okay, I like to write sometimes. I think of writing my journey sometimes, क्योंकि मुझसे क्या होता है, कभी कोई मिलता है तो पूछता है कि क्या था, and the moment somebody asks me, I cannot capture this journey in a brief conversation of 10 minutes. I cannot tell you, भाई, this was one verse, or this was ऐसे मैं रात को उठी और सितारे चमक रहे थे और मुझे ये. No, it's a journey, it's a thought process, and it's a journey I am still making. So I often think about it, कि should I write it, because a lot of people come and ask. So I'm like, should I write? But then I'm like, कौन पढ़ेगा, who's? So I think about it sometimes. I think about maybe starting a podcast to talk and to discuss. And I also had this plan of, I really want to start my own clothing line.
Okay, you want to, so you're planning to start like a modest clothing line or a hijab line?
I'm thinking of it, but I really don't know right now. For now, I really don't know whether I'll do it or not. I would really hope to, because it's been a dream I've had for a very long time. I could never do it though, but I would really hope कि मैं वो कर पाऊँ.
Yeah, inshallah, because you have a great choice. Plus, तुम कश्मीर में हो. Kashmir is like famous for all those embroideries and handwork, and obviously वहाँ का काम और खूबसूरती तो it's amazing. Guys, now you all can ask Zaira questions. आप लोगों के कोई भी सवाल होंगे, अब 5 मिनट तक Zaira आपके सवालों के जवाब देंगी. तो one by one, let's just start. आप लोग सवाल कर सकते हैं Zaira से. अगर आप लोगों को कोई क्वेश्चन करना है, she's here to answer your questions. कई सवाल गए हैं. कोई कह रहा है कि आपको किताब लिखनी चाहिए. ठीक है, माशाल्लाह, so much wisdom, Annie said, and then that's what I think. And then Mariam is also here. She's asking questions. I think
there's an option. There used to be an option of question का button होता था.
No questions yet. Can you please share what resources you do your research for authentic hadith?
Usually it's जब आप देखते हैं, आप I mean, I read everything from the internet sometimes, but
Yes, I should.
I read from I read from authentic sources.
But yeah, कोई आप
Right
ऐसी
now I do
अच्छा
not remember. For
authentic
example, see,
resource.
I tell you एक चीज बहुत important है, जब आप हदीस पढ़ रहे हैं आप उसको 2-3 बार चेक करें कि वो सही देखिए इसकी 4 किताबें थी हदीस की, मुस्लिम, सही बुखारी, सुनन और अन-नसाई। तो अन-नसाई और एक और जो मुझे याद नहीं आ रही इस टाइम पर इसमें देखें, और इसमें भी देखिए कुछ कैटेगरीज होती है, कुछ चीजें हैं जो ज़ईफ हदीस जिनको कहते हैं। ज़ईफ हदीस यानी जिनकी देखिए हदीस ट्रांसमिट होती थी प्रॉफेट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से, it always used to be narrated from someone. So when it would be narrated, कभी कभी उनकी जो चेन्स होती हैं, चेन्स ऑफ नरेशन, वो या तो मुरसल होती है, कभी टूटी हुई होती है, कभी फैब्रिकेटेड होती है, कुछ होती है। तो ट्राई टू सी कि आप जब हदीस सुनते हैं किसी से भी हदीस सुनते हैं, एक बार चेक करें। I don't remember वो कौन सी वेबसाइट थी, but I hope I can put it out.
You can actually, yeah, you can just if you get time, you can give it to me and I'll put it on my
I'll
stories.
give it to you, inshallah.
For
So
people
try
to
to find it on the internet. There's a website. If anybody is interested, green color की website है, कुछ mint और cream. I don't remember the website name, but try to see कि उसकी जो chain of narration या नीचे authentic लिखा है कि नहीं है, और एक दो तीन बार verify करें। और दूसरी चीज, somebody asked me, where are you gaining your knowledge? I read a lot. I read books, not a lot, but I try to read. I try to read books of the previous scholars, जो पुराने टाइम के थे, जिन्होंने देखिए कुछ ओपिनियंस होते हैं अबाउट द वर्सेस ऑफ द कुरान या प्रॉफेट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की चीजों की कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, उसमें डिफरेंस आते हैं। और ट्राई टू बी ऑन द पाथ जो सबसे ज्यादा एक्सेप्टेड ओपिनियन है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई कुरान की कोई वर्स है, उसके डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन सबको होता है, यू नो, इट एग्जिस्ट एवरीवेयर। तो वहां पर भी कुछ डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियंस है, बट द मोस्ट एक्सेप्टेड ओपिनियन जो होता है, तो आई ट्राई टू सीक फ्रॉम दैट ओपिनियन। मतलब अगर सहाबास के टाइम पे जिस तरह उन्होंने चीजों को समझा था, दैट रियली हेल्प्स मी, आई रियली बेनिफिट from that a lot. Other than that, there are certain books like Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyah and Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah. I try to read those books a lot. I have benefited बहुत ज़्यादा। उनके पास एक अलग ही किस्म की wisdom होती थी, जो previous scholars थे, because they were the closest to the time of the Prophet also, like later generations में या जो भी थे accepted opinions, I try to take from that.
Okay. Somebody has asked, Amna, are you learning Quran verse by verse, as you have mentioned so many verses in this talk? So that means that she's asking you, are you memorizing Quran?